We have something that's very unusual because my purpose in life is to bring nature to the cities of the world. So actually what we do is we embed real nature in our product. So for example, we use up to 40 leaves to make a frame, and each piece is unique because it in fact is not a screen print, actually the real nature itself is inside the frame.
We've developed our own unique grade of acrylic. The reason we use acrylic is because it's incredibly light, so it's very comfortable to wear, and also because we get this amazing range of colours, these kind of glassy, transparent colours that shine through. So when the sun hits them, you get the back colour that comes through, something that you won't find anywhere else.
The goal is to make a sustainable business. Silhouette invests a lot of time, energy and money into investing in sustainable product. The plastic that we use is a natural plastic. A lot of it is made from castor oil with an eye on the environment. We have to continue to educate the customer, not just in the eyewear sector, but in all sectors. Sustainability is key, and Silhouette are doing their bit to ensure that we can continue to produce a sustainable product in a sustainable way.
In 2018, we're using a lot more sort of decorative materials. We're using enamel, so it's known obviously for its strength and its lightness, but we're using it in a fashionable way for texture and depth of the frame. Carbon fibre for Trissardi, we're using that material as well for, we're seeing a lot of that being enclosed in transparent acetate, just for sort of a unique look.
The problem with 3D printing was, ultimately it was 3D printed, and it's not really a beautiful premium finish at the moment. It'll get there, so a lot of people have developed technologies for automating the manufacturing process for 3D printing and now looking to subtractive methods to create their product, and that's, I think, going to be a theme over this year.